Hi, it's Anthony from OQplay.com, and today we're looking at a new controller grip from KIWI Design that features the ability to access the controller's battery compartment without ever removing the grip cover. So keep watching for my review. Thankfully, the Quest 2 controller battery life is pretty good. Unlike the original Quest and some other VR controllers, the amount of time you need to replace the batteries on your controllers is much less frequent. But when you do, if you have a grip or knuckle strap on your controllers, you have to go through the arduous task of removing them in order to get to the battery compartment. And if you're doing all of this midway through a gaming session, it can get a little bit annoying. KIWI Design has updated their already great silicone pro grips with a unique addition for solving this exact issue. In the box, you get a pair of silicone grips with attached knuckle straps. There are a pair of replacement battery compartment covers with an attached battery pull tab on each of them. You get a set of spare pull tabs as well, and there is a small paper instruction manual that tells you how to put all of these together. The grips themselves are identical to the original grip covers from KIWI Design, with the exception of the small cutout window flap area on the inside of the grip cover. The flap itself is reinforced with a wedged shape rubber material that fits inside the battery compartment, not only to keep it securely closed, but it also helps support the battery inside, and it helps prevent the flap from being pressed in any further inwards. Even without the battery inside, the flap stays firm when it's closed. It's not flimsy at all, and it never loses its shape. Before you attach the grips onto the controller, you first need to remove the original battery compartment cover and replace it with the bundle cover from KIWI Design that features a cutout hole on one side. Attached to the edge of the cover is a thin yet strong plastic tab that is placed underneath the inserted battery. This is to make it easier to remove the battery through the narrow hole you have on the grip. You do have to really pull on this tab to remove the battery, and that's why they have given you some additional tabs, should any of them break off. I found it easier if you lever the battery upwards within the controller whilst pulling the tab, because if you don't do this, the battery is very hard to dislodge from its compartment, and that will lead to snapping the pull tabs off instead. Like the original grip, each grip is secured at the top with two rubber ears that helps keep the whole grip attached to the top of your controller, and they work really well. Knuckle strap hasn't been changed at all on this grip, and it features the same buckle and Velcro system to adjust it around the back of your hand. If you like to use wrist straps, underneath there is a small hole to feed the original wrist strap through, should you want some extra security on your controllers. The silicone material helps work with other accessories such as the VR cover halo protector. It's a shame VR cover doesn't integrate such a protector with these grips, as that really would make the ultimate grip for the Quest 2 in my opinion. But for now, these work really well with the halo protectors, and you can fit them both above and below this grip without any problems. The KIWI Design controller grips for the Quest 2 with the battery opening flap retails for £29 and probably similar in the US. And you can check out my links in the description below if you'd like to buy a pair. They're a great upgrade to their original controller grips. They continue to feel super comfortable, and they still remain to be one of the best grips you can buy for the Quest 2. The added addition of being able to access the battery without taking the grip off, for me, is a solution that really doesn't need to be addressed, but it is a nice addition nonetheless. And the flap on the grip doesn't reduce the grip's structural integrity or protection either. If you find yourself changing your Quest 2 controller batteries often, and you're on the lookout for a decent pair of knuckle strap grips, then you really can't go wrong with these grips from KIWI Design. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, leave us a like down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the KIWI Design battery opening grips. You can check out all my other accessory reviews in this playlist here. Hit the subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.